Thank you. The Supreme Court will take up the challenge to the availability of a commonly used abortion pill. This is the first major case on abortion since the court overturned Roe v. Wade nearly 2 years ago. ABC's Melissa Aden shares what the case could impact.
The Supreme Court will hear arguments early next year on reproductive rights regarding access to the abortion pill, Mifepristone. The justices will rule on which restrictions should be imposed on Mifepristone, a drug used in more than half of the abortions in the U.S. The ruling could make it a lot harder to get access to the pill, even in states where abortion is legal.
So these are the main things that are on the table. Up to what week can you use this drug? Does a physician have to be the one to administer it? How many visits? And whether those visits have to be in person.
Harvard professor Glenn Cohen helped author an amicus brief in the case. He says this is an exceptional case following the mounting abortion bans and restrictions enacted by Republican-led states since the Supreme Court overturned Roe v. Wade, which legalized abortion nationwide.
This is a drug that is incredibly safe. And we want to kind of make it clear that it's being held to a very different standard than many other drugs, including Tylenol or Viagra as comparisons.
The Biden administration promising to fight a ruling by a lower court that would make the drug less available, preventing it from being mailed directly to patients or prescribed during a telehealth appointment. Instead, it requires the pill to be taken at a doctor's office, not at home. The Supreme Court is expected to weigh in on this issue by June, putting this issue front and center of the 2024 election. Melissa Aden, ABC News, Washington.